Hi, my name is Kate and welcome to my channel. Today my guest is Stephanie Nicolaou. Stephanie is a doula and also she is specializing in tantric therapy. She is helping women to go through pregnancy and connect with their bodies. So in this series of conversations we talk about connection between birth experience and sexuality, sensuality, and our relationships as women with our bodies. So I hope that conversation would be insightful, and if so, please don't forget to like it. And now to Stephanie. Because I was wondering, you work in both fields, and you were saying this, that what you've seen during the birth also brought you to partly to the work with Tantra and sexuality and go there as well. So how does these pieces do these pieces connect? I mean, in the birth is our prior sexual experience or understanding of our bodies as women. Is it somehow influences the way we are in birth? Does this play somehow in birth?
Yes. So, as I said before, birth is an instinctual process, such as sex. It's an deeply instinctual process. But in our society, we are very much in our heads. So that means the neocortex is active all the time. Even sometimes when we're asleep, our neocortex is active. I don't want to go into too much why that happens. For example, one example could be technology. We're on the laptop stimulating our neocortex all the time. And somehow we forgot this bridge, which is in the brain, how to shift from the head into the body, from the head into the body. So in this way, that affects birth. So if, let's say, we can use our sexual nature, our sexuality to remember this connection and to build this connection, there is a term called re-entrain the brain into how to do that. Then we can shift very fast during birth, because birth as an instinctual process really just needs us to get out of the way.
As a brain needs
brain. And the process itself through the hormones can do it as long as the environment can allow that. For example, if we are in an environment where it stimulates the neocortex all the time, meaning conversation, light, we feel unsafe there because there is a bunch of strangers in the room that see a woman naked, or even if she's not naked, she's like, she has to a bit protect herself subconsciously, because the requirements of birth are safety, or fundamentally safety. And science has all the facts to explain this, and yet we are not. So it's like we as women find ourselves in this era where, yes, we have the science, we know what we need, and yet we can't have it. So the connection to sexuality is, if a woman trains herself and she remembers in her cellular memory and her neural system how that feels, there is no way she can accept to have anything different than that. And this does not exclude medicine, does not exclude, let's say, a medical environment, but how we can refine that in a way that it actually allows birth to happen.
Yeah. And I think that the conditions for birth and for sex are sort of similar. Like you need, let's say, safe and trusted environments with not much light, etc. So you really feel like in your body. And I think I can recall my own memories of giving birth, which is, I was quite lucky to have something similar that allows to natural birth to happen.